you doing? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So it is 9:20 in the morning on Thursday the 1st of February. I'm just sitting here watching Ava eating her porridge. It's pretty messy work, but basically I look like a wreck. I just got up. Well, that's a lie. As you saw, I got up at 6:15 and I turned the camera on at 5:30. So yeah, and also if you haven't been following me on my Instagram, you will not know that I have a very sore wisdom tooth, and basically it needs to be surgically removed, so I'm waiting for an appointment. But in the meantime, I have to deal with the extreme pain that I'm in constantly. So right now it is really sore. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make myself some food, take a painkiller, and then assess the situation and see what I mean. Because usually every morning I go for a walk, because I need to walk every day, because I eat so much crap. I need to walk. So usually I go for like a 30-minute walk every day, but I'll see how I feel after I eat and take a painkiller. So yeah. So usually once I finish eating, I kind of sit here and drink my tea. Today it's a little bit sore to drink my tea, but I'm still going to drink it. I'll get through it. I think I'm trying to just ignore it. Like, I take painkillers and just try to ignore the pain of it. So it's gone pretty well. Ava's over in the play area climbing on things. Should you be up there? I don't think you should. Get down, baby. So it's now 10:15 and I am going to go for a walk. It is nice and sunny out, but I'm pretty sure it's still cold. So I'm going to bring my sunglasses because there's nothing worse than walking with the sun in your eyes. And we have like lower sun in the winter. I always call it the winter sun. It's like low all the time, and then like it moves obviously around. It rises low and it sets low, so it's constantly just in your eyeballs, you know. Not like summer sun, which is really high in the sky and it's overhead. No, this one is like eye level or something. So I'm back from my walk, as you can tell by my extremely red face. There's nowhere good to the lighting in here. The sun, I'm telling you, the sun is just so awkward. See, now you can see my perfectly bright red face. I'm pretty unfit, to be honest. This month in January, because it's February now, in January I think I've gained like 7 pounds just from eating a whole load of crap and no exercise. I'd go for like a little walk down the park with Ava, but it was really only a stroll. So this week I've been on 3 walks, so that's pretty good, and I still have a couple of days left. My walk took me, I'm just going to open my Fitbit app, because you can track, so it's kind of hard to see. It took me 32 minutes 28. So what I'm going to do now, because Ava is asleep, she fell asleep on the walk, which was my whole plan, because she did get up at 6 o'clock. So she's been asleep for about 10 minutes now, I'd say. So my plan is to clean up when she is asleep and then go get a shower. And this has been my normal everyday for this week, definitely anyways. Getting up early, going for a walk every day, cleaning up while she's asleep, and if I can, I like to watch some YouTube and I'm going to have to edit as well, because the cleaning up video is going to be put up today and this video is going to be put up tomorrow. So I have some editing to do, and I also have a blog post to do. The blog post is going to be about our trip to Bray, and we went to an aquarium. We also went to the beach. It was Ava's first time on the beach, so make sure you check out that blog post. It will be in the description. I'll make sure that it is live before this video goes live. So yeah, check that out. Everything will be in the description, and you can check out Ava's first time at the beach and at an aquarium. So I better go in and get her. Have to prepare some lunch for her and myself because I'm getting kind of hungry again. And then for 2 p.m. we are going to go to like a sensory play. So the soft play gym that we go to that has been in previous Day in the Lives, which they will be linked below. You can see our adventures in those the jungle gyms. They on Thursday at 2 and Friday mornings at 10 or something, they have sensory play. So I'm going to bring Ava there. We went to one last week, which was kind of like kitchen, basically making a mess with food. And then today's one is something like learning your body or something, so I'm assuming it's going to be like lots of dancing and that sort of stuff. So I'm going to bring her there for 2. So I got to get moving. You banging? So it's lunchtime. We are having pasta with the leftover bolognese I was talking about, and I do have a recipe for this bolognese sauce if you're interested. I'll have that linked below. If it gets lovely and messy, she also, this on her hand here, you can see, well, you can kind of see, basically the lamp in my bedroom, don't touch, the lamp in my bedroom, she touched it and it burnt her hand. No, you don't touch. No. You eating? Oh, happened? Let's eat, baby. You painting yourself? Oh my goodness. So we are back from sensory play. It was kind of like a painting. You would have seen it anyways, because I took some footage on my camera. This is Ava's creation. Like, she pretty much did everything herself except for her name and then the eyes and the mouth. So yeah, she had a good time. She is covered in paint. She decided to paint herself. But yeah, it's all a good fun. So I'm going to upload my video it's 3:45, so this is late for me because usually I try to get up around 12 or 1, but it didn't happen today. So time to upload a video. Mama. You say hello? You say hello? Or car? Good girl. Car? Car. Click, click. Oh, my hair. So she kind of says, as you hear there, car. Obviously we've been pronouncing the first letter, like car, and now that's what she says. She also says dog. Sometimes varies with the dog. Mama, like all the time. Hello every now and again. So she is coming on slightly with her words, but it's still slow going, and she still isn't too interested. She loves climbing on chairs now, and also loves to dance. Like if Robert is here, she'll grab my hand, Robert's hand, and she'll get us both up to dance. The same if she's in the grandparents. Everybody has to get up and dance with her, you know, even if there's no music, she just wants to dance. So yeah, I think I'll end it here because all I'm gonna do is just make some dinner, and they're homemade burgers tonight. And thank you so much for watching. Please do give it a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel when you thumbs up and comment on my videos. Subscribe if you are new here. I put out videos 3 days a week, a cleaning video every week, and then it varies whatever else I want to do. But I am always open to comments and requests. If you have any video requests, just leave them below in the comments as well. I have an Instagram that I post on daily, and sometimes I do Instagram stories. Probably like 4 or 5 times a week I do Instagram stories. I have a blog, and my blog post is out, as I mentioned earlier. If you want to see what we got up to last weekend in Bray, we went to an aquarium and to the beach, please do check out my blog post. That will be linked in the description for you to check out, or irishfarmy.com is my blog. So yeah, that's it guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Bye.